Welcome to 28 Days to Better Blues Part 2, the 3-fret rule. This is the second video in a 4-part series that I call 28 Days to Better Blues. If you can spare just 20 minutes to watch these 4 5-minute videos and then take 5 minutes a day practicing these techniques, I guarantee you that you will see a big difference in your blues playing at the end of these 28 days. All you need to know to get started is the minor pentatonic blues box, and you will be able to apply these tips immediately. Just like the half slide featured in part 1, the 3-fret rule is a concept that is very easy and simple to assimilate. Once you understand how it works, it is something that you can use anytime to amp up your blues playing. In most cases, 12-bar blues is only made up of 3 chords, so any technique that we can use to make the music sound more unique or outstanding would be a great asset to have, and especially if we could do that without learning any new scales. For this example, we use a medium tempo blues in C. Many players would approach this groove using the trusty old minor pentatonic blues box, which is great. Well, what if you could have 2 blues boxes for the price of 1? Here's the trick. You take the C minor pentatonic blues box, and this will work, by the way, in any key. The C minor pentatonic blues box, and then shift down 3 frets, but still keeping C as the tonic, and presto, you are now playing in the major pentatonic. This is a great new tool to expand your vocabulary without having to learn any new material. All you have to do is slide your trusty pentatonic blues box down 3 frets, and you have the major pentatonic. One simple way to start using this technique is using the major pentatonic position on the 1 chord. And when you switch to the 4 and 5 chords, switch back to the trusty pentatonic blues box. You'll find that this technique works perfectly over all 3 chords. If we experiment even a little using just the major pentatonic position, it will soon become apparent that having the major and the minor sounds accessible at any time is a great way to expand your vocabulary and expressive capability. Don't forget, just like in part 1, I have made all the backing tracks and diagrams downloadable for free. You can find the links in the description below the video. My name is Dwane Dixon, aka Double D. Thank you for spending this time with me. Please take 5 minutes a day. Practice these techniques, and I promise you at the end of the 28 days and the 4 episodes, you will increase your blues vocabulary without having to learn any real new material. So there you have it, folks, the 3-fret rule. What a simple and effective way to vastly expand your blues vocabulary without having to learn any new material. You simply have to reposition what you already know, and bingo, you have amped up your blues game. Join me next week for part 3 of this 4-part series, 28 Days to Better Blues.